Hey guys, Oldbeatercars Workshop. Well, here's my next project. '31 Bugatti Royal Victoria. Man, it's an ugly freaking car. Jesus Christ. But anyways, I have a couple of these in my stash still. There's actually, I have one more in here in my stash. And I found some cool pictures of one I like to make this into. So I'll put the pictures when I post the video up, of course. I'll put them at the back of the video, or actually in the video, and you guys see. But anyways, on the pictures I got, the roof has been changed. It has probably like a 1932 or 31 Ford top on it. We'll have to go in our gallery there and find something that maybe that was not ever perfect, and chop it up and use it for our project. And we'll have to do some other cool stuff to it. So on the pictures I have, the frame's been modified. It has like a modern rack and pinion for suspension. We're gonna probably do that same, not rack and pinion, but we're gonna have to do something similar. You know, independent front suspension, independent rear suspension with leaf springs or whatever. Make something cool. And the engine, of course, you know, I don't know what engine is in this damn beast. No idea. But we'll have to save it for something else. That's for another rat rod project another time. So anyways, this car here, by the pictures I have, they have a they call it a 702 cubic inch 702, made by GM, one of GM's great creations. Anyways, way back in the 60s, GM made an engine called a 702. They used it in many applications. They used it from wind turbines for orchards, called them wind machines, and used them for lake pumps. Used it for industrial trucks, and they basically were two V6s put together. Now they were not bolted together; they were casted in that way. Some guys have a misconception thinking that they were bolted together, but they weren't. They were two blocks that were casted together, and they made one block. So I guess the size of the bore is equivalent to a small block Chevy, maybe bigger, and they used two carbs, four exhaust manifolds, and two distributors, something like that. Anyway, so it's interesting stuff. I actually seen one in real life, not well, probably about 20 years ago, and most time I see them in videos on YouTube and such. But pretty interesting motors. So, yep, leave it to GM for their weird engine configurations. But anyways, that's what we're putting in here, and that's what that picture has. So we're going to have to take two small block Chevys and chop one bank off on both engines, and then put them together some way or another and make it look the part. So there is one guy on, I know they can't get off topic, but there's one guy on YouTube. He goes by the name of Wayland Wire, or used to be called 1963 Impala, and you guys can check him out. Wayland Wire or 1963 Impala. I know Shade Tree Fix It Man. He's subscribed to him, and I'm subscribed to him on my other model, on my own real car channels. And but anyways, he has one of those 702 engines in one of his rat rods he built. So pretty interesting stuff. But yeah, but they're a real behemoth. So they actually were heavier. The weight of the engine was actually heavier than a Cummins, like a Cummins, a 6.7 Cummins, I guess it was. They're pretty heavy, probably more equivalent to inline cat. But yeah, they're just a beast of a motor. It's super heavy. But anyways, that's the project. So next project going forward and hopefully this one takes us on through the rest of the month here and maybe into the next month. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember to hit that notification bell so you get new stuff from me when I post it. Alright guys, take it easy.